Now it is time to hand the spotlight over to our next group of startups who will showcase their incredible and their groundbreaking projects. Now everyone, let's get ready for another round of the JUMPSTARTER Global Pitch Competition Top 30 final pitch. But before we start, let me just kind of go through how the final pitch works. The process goes as follows. Now each team will be given 8 minutes on stage. The first 3 minutes is for presenting their innovation and business ideas, followed by 5 minutes of Q&A. Now, for the judging criteria, there are some key judging criteria to ensure a comprehensive evaluation for all of our startup teams. And please listen up. These are the criteria: innovation and industry disruption, market potential, business model and scalability, traction and further development plan, team background and strength, Hong Kong or Greater Bay Area nexus, including founder background and any GBA plans. Last but not least are the impact on a specific industry or the fulfillment of social responsibility. And not only that, I'm very pleased to introduce the following distinguished panel of judges. And these judges are highly qualified experts in their fields, guaranteeing an objective and insightful evaluation. Everyone, please welcome with me our lead judges, Ms. Alice So, Cyberport. Thank you. Ms. Amy Fong, Fountain Vest. Thank you for being with us. Mr. Andy Liu, China Resources Enterprise. Mr. Ben Au, AP Family Office. Mr. Ben Wong, New World Development. And we have Mr. Emmanuel Hui, Tiger Jade Pebble Accelerator. Mr. Lawrence Fong, Cathay Pacific Airways. Mr. Patrick Fong, Hong Kong Exchange. Mr. Pubs, Abersari, CLP. Mr. Sammy Wong, Hong Kong Science and Technology Park. Ms. Shirley Lee from HSBC. Tony Wong from Shopline, and last but not least, we have Winnie Lang from Transcend Capital Partners. We are all very fortunate to have our diverse and esteemed judging panel with a line of industry leaders positioned in close proximity with our stage today, where all the action is going to happen. Now, everyone, let's join me in welcoming our esteemed panel of judges, because it is definitely a lot of hard work, very intense, lots of brain power needed. So thank you so much. It's just every year I see it, it gets harder and harder because the talents are just so great. Very grateful for your time, very grateful for your dedication and your invaluable insights that will shape our Hong Kong startup ecosystem. Thank you once again. So our first pitch on stage is Sencity Corporation, an art tech startup. So everyone, please welcome Sencity, the representative, to come on stage. Please join me. You have 3 minutes. Please jumpstart your dream now.
Awesome. Thanks a lot. Good evening, everyone. This is my great pleasure to be here today. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you what does the future of urban living look like. I am Stephen Bai, the co-founder and CEO of Sencity. At Sencity, we're unleashing every possibility of public spaces. We're converting all public space assets into an interactive interface to create engagement. We can start by building interactive installations like this one we built for K11 during the JUMPSTARTER events. Or we can build the Tetra Bin. You guys probably bump into one of our Tetra Bins, but you didn't know we built the Tetra Bin. It's the world's first interactive IoT-enabled trash can. But we're beyond a hardware manufacturing company. We're not a trash can company. We're building an ecosystem to convert the city into your everyday playground for immersive and interactive journeys. Before we get into our innovative products, I want to have a quick recap on the technological industry in the past 30 years. So firstly, we had a platform called a desktop computing platform that completely changed the way we interact with the information. Then we had a mobile revolution that revolutionized the way we communicate with each other. But what could be the next thing to truly redesign and redefine the way we interact with our surrounding environment, the way we interact with our built environments. And at Sencity, we believe that's the city platform. Everything within the city, within public spaces, will become information conduits to deliver information. And Sencity is transforming the mundane into revolutionary experiences. We already transformed Sydney, where we were very well known for designing interactive installations like this one. When we observed how people interact with our work, we were inspired by the amount of joy we were able to bring to people. And we want to bring those type of joy to more places, to everywhere. So this is what we built, the Sencity ecosystem. Can we play the video, please? With the Sencity ecosystem, we're building the infrastructure, the very hardcore infrastructure. Can we switch back to the deck, please? To empower the built environments.
They have teams in Australia,
Can we play?
New York,
Can we
Hong
go back
Kong.
to the deck,
Through
please?
its proprietary
The Sencity operating system with the sandboxes is enabling industry verticals to blend art and technology to convert our everyday public space, not just places we pass through, but also destinations where human interactions, art, and technology harmoniously coexist. And I'm calling all the creatives, cities, and communities to join this journey with us to redesign and redefine
Time's
the
up.
future
Please wrap up.
of urban living. And we're the team of some of the best,
Please
team
wrap up
members
in one sentence. Thank you.
graduate from the best universities, and we're here to redefine the future of urban living. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Judges, please.
Hello, this is Sammy from HKSTB Venture. Do you mind to describe how can you maintain or build a sustainable, revenue model?
Sure. I'm just trying to trying to see where you are. Sorry. Gotcha. So we're not just building another team lab. We're now building projectors with a dark room to have immersive experiences. We've been working super hard to build the infrastructure so other creatives, designers, and communities can contribute to our content platform. Whether they're AI-enabled or Web3 applications, they can all deploy on our Sencity operating system platform. And the business model is very simple. So it's software hardware interplay. We have standardized software SaaS platform. Then we have standardized hardware products. Plus, we can customize hardware for different destinations and special customers. So it's hardware, software interplay, plus a software and content business model. And so when we work with different customers in different industry verticals, we have different modular tech modules catered for different industry verticals. That is very easy to deploy and very easy to being utilized by our customers.
Yes, can you explain who your customers are?
Sure.
I am not sure about your actually revenue model.
Sure. So majority of our customers are commercial and public space owners. For example, shopping centers, airports, municipal destinations, theme parks, shopping plazas, commercial real estate. So any public and commercial spaces owners will be great fit to be our customer, because previously they need to hire ad agencies and design consulting companies to do something similar that we do. But now we utilize standardized software to create this art plus technology plus human interaction experiences. So everything is modular. For example, if they want to have a thumb detection, if they want to have a gesture control, if they want to have something with LiDAR, we have everything, SDK, API, everything built as standardized tech module. And we can easily, like Legos, we just combine different modules together to deliver experiences. And we have a content inventory. It's similar to an iOS, an app store for the city, an app store for the urban platform. So we have about 2,000 different content templates our customer can utilize. So this is helping our customer to be more productive and saving cost and converting cost burden into revenue generation opportunities.
Yeah, hello. Here,
Hi.
yeah, we see you that having a worldwide, development, for your business. But how about any future plan or big breakthrough, for your development in Hong Kong and GBA, please?
Yes, definitely. So we started in Sydney. That's where we grew up and where we went to school and where we work. I used to work for Pixar and Atlassian, so software companies and content designing companies. But I do believe that the Greater Bay Area, including mainland China, Hong Kong, and also surrounding countries, are great landing pad for innovative and art tech experiences because they have that natural ingredient and natural, atmosphere for experimental and experiential technologies and interactions between individuals, communities, governments, and shopping, commercial properties. So we already, working with a few companies and a few municipal destinations in Hong Kong. We're also deploying our interactive games for the Hong Kong bus shelters. And we also built urban installations for the airports, including Hong Kong and Shenzhen airports. So we do have a plan to have a permanent team, setting up in the Greater Bay Area.
Hi, thanks, Sencity. If I look at it, it's a pretty broad scope in terms of hardware, software, and creatives. So if you were to look at your team's capability, do you see yourself or Sencity a art first, creative first, software first, or a software first or hardware first company?
Yeah, we're software first
Please
company.
answer in one sentence.
Software hardware interplay is very hard. Hardware company is very hard. I studied architecture and computer science, so we do have this emphasis in embedded technology.
Please
so
wrap up in
we're,
one sentence. Thank you.
Exploring how we embed technology into the surrounding environment. So software first, hardware assist. Thanks.
Thank you very much. All right, big round of applause again to Sencity. Thank you.